Okay, hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to uh, make a blog in school. Due to today is a green day, especially for our country. We need to make safe our country, have a greenery. Due to the pollution level, you can see. Yeah, here you can see the children, our children, what they are doing. They are designed and a different. Yeah. Okay. Happy Green Day to all. Look how the celebration is going on. Students are very excited for this. It's a first step, so up to the 8th standard level students are over here, and some very cheerful students who is playing here and there. You can also see the ma'ams are helping our kids on the preparation level here. School is a kind of place where we can get everything. There is the fun, there is the study, there is the knowledge, everything, right? uh, we cannot imagine a day without school, guys. You all know it very well. School is not just a place for study, it is a place for our development of all over our personality. Okay, so I like to go with the students. Let's see what they are doing right now. Hello children, how are you? Okay, what's going on? You tell something on a green day. Have, tell loudly, everyone. More loudly. Okay, you want to tell something? Save the environment. Okay, you tell me, you plant sapling or not? Sometime you plant sapling. I mean, you plant saplings. Okay. Which type of plant you usually grow in your home? Which type of sapling you grow in your home? Okay, very good. You all are a very good student, right? You guys are enjoying today so much. Okay, what you have prepared today? What you have made? You made this. It is made by you. Okay, and that is who made it? You made. Who made this one? You made it. Who made this? You made. Okay, lots of students. Any drawing that you have made in your any drawing you have made for the green day? What type of drawing you have made on a green day? I want to see that. Okay, tell me. Let me see your drawings. I want to see your drawings actually. You can see, children are very happy today. They are in a very fun mood, right? And it should be celebrated all over the world actually, because now due to the pollution level is getting higher day by day, and people are not considered, and they are not thinking about saving the environment. Now, guys, technological advancement we have in all over the world, but hello guys. So I was telling that we need to save the environment, plant as much as tree as possible, because we have a technological advancement, but we have to save our planet and our environment as much as possible. So guys, grow tree as much as possible, plant the saplings of different varieties. I mean, which type of plant you wanted to have, do it as much as possible. Also it creates environment very greenery. Our eyes affect green everywhere. Whenever there is something, then we feel there is a kind of inbuilt charm on that. So we need to understand this charm is on the feeling on us. And uh, I just want to say happy green day. Right guys, so you all need to do at least for the environment something that is important. Here you can see some kind of activities going on. Here you can see kind of photo session is going on with the class second student. I think the ma'am, class teacher of the class 2 is taking photos of the students, what they have made with, like they have made paintings, and different things. So they, as she is just taking photo session. You can see a lot of happy children. You can see over here, right? This is the speciality of school, right? Where because here the feeling of students' energy. As a teacher, I can say I always feel the students' energy transform on us every day, and that keep us motivated to do something better, do something great on our field. Like I teach English subject, I try to go very deep on my subject so that students understand grammar or spoken or whatever relations. I can do as much as possible. I research on that particular topic, and also I teach them by using different type of methods, guys. Here also you can see I think class 50 student what they're trying to prepare here. Hello guys, what's going on? Hello okay. Hello girls, what are you doing everyone? What are you doing guys? What are you preparing? Okay, what are you preparing? Very, you all are looking very beautiful today. Very nice made. This all is made by you. This all is made by you, right? You all made it. Suman, what is this? Take. Okay, here you can see the memes are preparing for the green day and they are trying to decorate blackboard as well as the classroom as beautify they can make. Guys, I need to clear that it's just a preparation video. The green day celebration haven't started so far. Here also class 50 student photo session is going on. You can see few students are there and clicking the picture by the ma'am of their own class. So it's lovely, artificial without any. So it's there is lot of fun, guys, today, right? In our shift also. Let's just see. I came here very early today to make a blog for the first shift. Generally, I teach in a second shift of a higher student, but as a teacher of the school, I have responsibility to come here and show all of you special aspects of the school that the students are doing over here and the activities that is going on, ongoing activities. Here you can see some children are over there already. I think we just made some ma'am is helping them. Here you can see the students are in a very happy mood. Hello ma'am, what's going on? Preparation is going on. Okay, so ma'am is preparing for all the children for the green day celebration, right? Look guys, they're very motivated and also self-motivated teacher, as well as they're always busy to help a student on their particular subjects or wherever they find a problem. So you can, yeah, the head of the school, we can say, she handles almost everything, right? Handling a student is so much critical. I feel that higher class is easily. Good morning, children. Okay, what is going on? Are you enjoying Green Day? Okay, children. So yeah, you can see many students are over here. Also, guys, you always notice that I try to give you kind of explanation of English so that you will understand and you will speak on your own languages, right? The preparation is ongoing. I mean, there you can see lots of things is happening there for the making the preparation very good. In other classes also there is an ongoing preparation. You will notice always. Here you can see the ma'ams are preparing the children for the Green Day festival. Hello ma'am, how are you? Okay, what's going on today? What's going on? Okay, what's going on, ma'am? Preparing for Green Days, right? Okay. So your student are ready for Green Day celebration? I think these are your students, right? Okay, they all are ready. Good morning to all. How are you, everyone? How are you? Sit down. Okay. How is going your Green Day? preparation. Yeah, so students are very cheerful mood and they are enjoying today, right? Okay, guys. So I think you all know that. Let's say end of the session. I hope that today you all have enjoyed our Gindi festival. Here you can something is very nicely happening over there. The children are kind of playing mood and they are just wearing whatever they have made. Okay, it's a lovely thing. Happy Green Day to all. Thank you guys. Thanks for the blog today. Do join every day and try to and give me the topic so that I can make a topic on that video, especially for English spoken skill. Right? Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.